Bitcoin mining is a process of creating new Bitcoins by solving a computational puzzle. Bitcoin mining is necessary to maintain the ledger of transactions upon which Bitcoin is based. And now Elon Musk is about to mine Bitcoins. Yes, it's true. In mining, miners have become very sophisticated over the past several years, using complex machinery to speed up mining operations. Nowadays, Musk expressed his interest in Bitcoin and Dogecoin early last year, and allowed Tesla customers to buy electric cars with Bitcoin, helping to send the crypto market to record highs. However, the carmaker later suspended the Bitcoin payment opening, citing environmental concerns over Bitcoin mining. Construction on the mining facility began Friday, Blockstream said. Once it's completed, it will result in a projected 3.8 megawatts of solar renewable power to mine Bitcoin. The facility will use an array of 3.8 megawatt Tesla solar PV and 12 megawatt hours Tesla Megapack. Former Twitter CEO and current head of Block Jack Dorsey and Tesla CEO Elon Musk have formed a new partnership to build a Bitcoin mine in Texas that is powered by renewable energy, and it was revealed by the mine's other partner, Blockstream co-founder and CEO Adam Back, at the Bitcoin 2022 reference in Miami, which began on April 6th. Well, with Musk, I probably know that you all are also excited about this new investment. Now, Dorsey, Musk, and Back have broken ground on a Bitcoin mine, employing Tesla's 3.8 megawatt solar PV array and a 12 megawatt hour Megapack. Adam said, "People like to debate about the different factors to do with Bitcoin mining. We figured let's just prove it. Have an open dashboard so people can play along. Maybe it can inform other players to participate. When this dashboard will be open to the public, it will display real-time project information, like electricity generation and total Bitcoin mined." Experts said in the mining of Bitcoins, a massive amount of energy is required for mining, which is one of the most immediate problems, and also stated that this is a step to providing our thesis that Bitcoin mining can fund zero-emission power infrastructure and build economic growth for the future. Bitcoin's massive carbon emissions footprint is due to its decentralized structure. It is mainly because Bitcoin requires computers to solve increasingly complicated math problems in order to validate transactions. This proof-of-work consensus approach consumes significantly more energy than centralized network transaction verification. However, experts have long claimed that scaling Bitcoin with its present power sources is impractical. The collaboration between Dorsey and Musk on a long-term solution could be a game changer for crypto adoption around the world. Comment your views on this. According to the Cambridge Center for Alternative Finance, Bitcoin presently consumes around 110 terawatt hours every year, 0.55% of worldwide electricity production, or roughly similar to the yearly energy consumption of countries like Malaysia or Sweden. Tesla is building the solar power infrastructure and providing its Megapack batteries for use. Blockstream and Block, which was previously known as Square, had said in June that they were collaborating to build an open-source and solar-powered Bitcoin mining facility in the United States. Environmental concerns related to Bitcoin mining in May last year prompted Tesla to stop accepting Bitcoin for car purchases. Tesla and Block did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Bitcoin is created when high-powered computers compete against other machines to solve complex mathematical puzzles, an energy-intensive process that currently often relies on fossil fuels. We're excited to share the fully solar-powered open-source Bitcoin mining facility Blockstream and Blocks Inc. are collaborating on is set to be outfitted with a 3.8 megawatt Tesla solar PV array and a 12 megawatt hour Megapack. Construction has begun, and we're eager to demonstrate the innovation we've packed into this unique facility. The system is going to power 30 petahashes per second with 100% solar power, and the combination of Tesla photovoltaics and Megapack battery equipment will drive the 30 petahashes per second of mining hardware at the facility with 100% solar energy. Blockstream is providing the mining infrastructure and expertise to build and oversee the project. With the Bitcoin mining facility aiming to be completed later this year, the companies announced that the project is already in construction. Once completed, they plan to regularly release performance reports to show the economics of powering crypto mining with renewable energy. Back also said, "This is a step to proving our thesis that Bitcoin mining can fund zero-emission power infrastructure and build economic growth for the future. Improving the economics of renewables, West Texas is a mecca of renewable energy in the United States. You get this perfect overlap with both sun quality and wind speed in West Texas," said Sean Connell, Executive Vice President of Power at Houston-based tech company Lancia. But you know what, guys? A lot of that wind and solar power is concentrated in remote parts of the state. With no financial incentive, there's little reason to build out renewable infrastructure to harness this energy. When these energy buyers co-locate with renewables, it creates a financial incentive to build out and improves the core economics of renewable power production, which has been fraught with volatility. Miners provide demand to these semi-stranded assets and make renewables in Texas economically viable, according to Castle Island Ventures' Nick Carter. The constraint is that West Texas has roughly 34 gigawatts of power, 5 gigawatts of demand, and only 12 gigawatts of transmission. You can think of Bitcoin miners as temporary buyers who keep the energy assets operational until the grid can fully absorb them. Back said the off-grid mine, expected to be completed later this year, highlights another key tenet of the Bitcoin network. Miners are location agnostic and can do it from anywhere without local infrastructure, should the project prove profitable in its pilot stage. What do you all think here? Comment us your answers. Back said the companies would add wind power to the mix and scale the entire project. You're making a sort of calculation of the optimal economic mix between solar and battery. There are 3.8 megawatts of solar and 1 megawatt of mining, so you can see you have to over-provision, because the peak solar input varies during the day, and of course, it's not there at night. Adding wind to the mix, however, would reduce overall costs and help to balance out the downtime with solar. Ultimately, Blockstream said, a key goal is to strengthen the Bitcoin network by diversifying the cryptocurrency's energy sources. By collaborating on this full stack, 100% solar-powered Bitcoin mining project with Blockstream, using solar and storage technology from Tesla, we aim to further accelerate Bitcoin's energy with renewables, said Neil Jorgensen, the global ESG lead at Block and project lead for Block's Bitcoin Clean Energy Initiative. However, last year, Tesla took a step back with crypto by removing the Bitcoin payment option. The company noted concerns over the energy needs of the Bitcoin network. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. This is a concern that many Tesla community members shared when Tesla first announced its Bitcoin investment, and many were angered by the fact that the company didn't think about it in the first place. At the time, Tesla noted that they were not selling their stake in Bitcoin and that they plan to resume taking Bitcoin payments once the network shows a higher mix of renewable energy. Last summer, CEO Elon Musk said that he believes Tesla will resume taking Bitcoin payments as he sees improvements in the energy mix of Bitcoin mining. That has yet to happen, but Tesla is now directly involved in helping power Bitcoin mining with clean energy. And it is said that in a regulatory filing that electric car company Tesla now once again will start accepting Bitcoins or BTC as payment methods in the future. In an earnings report filed by the company for the quarter ending September, it said it might restart the practice of accepting cryptocurrencies for its products and services. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just share your views and opinions with us and others in the comment section. We will be eagerly waiting for your response, and do let us know, will this project of Musk give his customers a benefit, and will it prove to be profitable? Share your answers, and have you enjoyed watching the video? If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with all your friends and Tesla crypto lovers among you. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. Till then, watch our previous videos if you haven't yet. Thank you for being here.